keep on watching. Today, we visited the newest and the prettiest branch of Starbucks located in Balibago, Angeles City. As you can see, it has a spacious parking lot that can accommodate a huge number of cars. So hindi problema dito ang parking space. If you want to study or work, I suggest you stay at the second floor. There are charging ports and I think it was designed for both study and work. Di ko lang siya maipakita guys kasi sobrang daming tao. The ground floor ambience was very refreshing. It's giving a nature vibes. One thing that I don't like about the place is it's too crowded, and because of this, it's too noisy. Hello guys, so yeah, we're here at Starbucks sa may Balibago, the newest branch here in Pampanga. So we just ordered some drinks. So I ordered for the strawberry ashai. And tulipas na kami ng oras. Then after this, uwi na rin kami. So I will be ending this vlog now guys. So until my next vlog. And thank you for always watching my videos. And if you're not yet part of the Satchikins family, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Arab Sachi Girl, and to my TikTok account, Arab Sachi Girl. Until my next video guys. Bye!